Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the PassFab channel. I installed a new hard drive on my computer and I can't find the drive when I turn it on. Have you ever had this happen to you? This video today will show you how to create a partition on Windows 11. If this video was helpful to you, please give me a thumbs up. I will be posting more about computer repair, so subscribe to my channel if you like it. Without further ado, let's begin. First, we need to right-click on this PC and open the Manage option. In the Computer Management interface, select Disk Management. Since I have a new hard drive installed, the Initialize Disk window will pop up. There are two partition styles to choose from. MBR is an early partitioning style, which has more restrictions and is relatively unsuitable for today's needs. I recommend using GPT partitioning, which is the current mainstream partitioning scheme. Click OK. The one marked in black is unallocated space. Let's right-click on it. Select New Simple Volume. Click Next. Here you can set the size of the partition. 1.24 megabytes is equal to 1 gigabyte. If you want to set up multiple partitions, you can allocate them according to the size of the disk. I'll use the full storage space here. Click Next. Here you can select the partition drive letter. Click Next. Here you can set the volume format. These options are the most common settings, so I don't recommend changing them. Just click Next. Finish. Wait a few seconds. Partition creation is complete. Open the File Explorer. You can see the new disk drive right here. Select it and click the name. You can change the name to the one you want. The partition is now created. If you want to do more with the partition, I recommend you use PassFab for Easy Partition. It is a third-party partition management software. You can use it to resize, create, delete, split, and format partitions to simplify your PC disk management. And you can also do Windows system migration, upgrade larger hard drives, and get more disk space. There is currently a special offer going on. Click the link in the description to get it. Okay, that's all there is to creating partitions on Windows 11. We hope this video can help you solve your computer problems. If you want to know more about computers, you can click to check the above video to get more fixes. Well, that's it for this video. See you in the next video.